there, HungryFoodsy! Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make a delicious summer pasta salad with pan-seared chicken. First, we're going to cook our Bowtie pasta. Add a generous pinch of salt to the boiling water and then add your pasta and cook accordingly to the package instructions until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to grill our corn. You can use a pan grill or you can use an outside grill. Once the corn is completely charred, we're going to put this to the side to cool. Next, let's pan-sear our chicken. Season both sides of the chicken breast with salt, pepper, and garlic. Then add some oil to a skillet, and on medium heat, we're going to fry the chicken breast on both sides, about 6 to 7 minutes on both sides until the chicken is golden brown and cooked all the way through. To ensure the chicken is completely cooked all the way through, you can use a digital thermometer and double check that the internal temperature has reached 165 degrees. Remove from heat and allow the chicken to cool slightly. Now let's prep our ingredients for the salad. We're going to slice these cherry tomatoes in half, and then once we are finished, we are going to place them in a bowl and move on to the next one. We're going to take our grilled corn and slice off the kernels all the way around the cob, and this is going to make a nice delicious topping for our pasta salad. Go ahead and place this in a bowl and set to the side. Next, we're going to prep our red onion by cutting it in half, cutting off the ends, and then peeling off the skin. We are going to cut downward into the onion and then right across to make beautiful little diced onions. Next, we're going to rough chop some cilantro. This is going to add so much flavor and freshness to the pasta salad. Now let's prep the avocado. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit, and then slice it into chunks. Scoop the chunks into a bowl, and then you're going to set this to the side. Next up is the dressing. In a blender, combine Greek yogurt, a handful of cilantro, a pinch of salt, pepper, and some garlic, and a dash of chili powder. And then you're going to add some lime juice to this one, and then blend until smooth. Our pasta is done. Drain it and let it cool slightly. Now we're going to add our chopped vegetables, tomatoes, red onion, corn, cilantro, and avocado. Pour the dressing all over the pasta salad and mix everything together until well combined. Add some Cotija cheese. Our chicken is ready. Slice it into strips. Serve a generous portion of pasta into a salad bowl and top it with the sliced chicken and finish with a sprinkle of Cotija cheese. And there you have it, a refreshing summer pasta salad with pan-seared chicken, perfect for any summer occasion. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, and enjoy!